In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user in Monday.com. Managing your team's access on Monday.com efficiently means staying organized, and sometimes that involves deactivating a user. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, to ensure it's as seamless as possible. First things first, open your Monday.com. Start by navigating to the main dashboard of your account. From here, things will be straightforward as long as you're logged in with the necessary admin privileges. Once you've accessed your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu filled with different options related to your account settings. Now, from this drop-down, select Administration. This option is key because it's where you manage a lot of the back-end details for your account. A quick tip here. This menu is also where you can explore various settings to optimize your Monday.com experience beyond user management. After entering the administration page, your next stop will be the directory. Simply click on it to bring up a full list of users associated with your account. The directory is your control center for everything related to user management. It's a great place if you need to overview or adjust your team's access level quickly. Next, click on Users. This is where you'll find detailed profiles of everyone registered on your account. These profiles contain all the essential information you need, like their roles and activity history, which might be helpful when deciding on actions like deactivation. Now, let's locate the user you intend to deactivate. Navigate through the user list until you find the right account, and then look toward the 3 horizontal dots located to the left of their profile. Clicking these dots will reveal a menu of actions applicable to the user. From this menu, choose the Deactivate User option. This will start the deactivation process, making sure that this account won't have access until reactivated. It's a reversible action, so don't worry if you ever need to give access back. With Deactivate User selected, you'll be prompted to continue. Confirm your decision by clicking Continue. At this stage, you're almost done, but you'll be asked to specify a reason for deactivation. Choose the option that best fits your scenario from the list provided. This detail can help with records and audit trails in case you need to review the deactivation later. After choosing your reason, you'll need to confirm your choice by clicking Continue again. Finally, to wrap everything up, click Deactivate User once more to confirm your action. This last step ensures that the system processes and saves your decision correctly. And there you have it. The user is now deactivated in your Monday.com account. This systematic approach helps maintain order within your workspace and guarantees that your team only includes active, necessary members. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on managing users in Monday.com.